Okay guys, so we are going to be converting those numbers, these numbers you can see, to base 10. Alright, but now you can see that this number, they are in fraction, okay? We have decimal fraction here. There is a point here, there is a decimal point here. So how do we now convert these numbers to base 10? Actually, this is simple. Alright, let's take the solution. So if you have 1011.011 in base 2 to convert to base 10, this will simply become equal to, alright, so I write 0, 1, 2, 3 here. You know, the normal thing before the decimal point, going to have 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the whole number part. Then the fraction part, the powers are going to be minus 1, minus 2 here, and minus 3 up here. Okay, I'm believing you can see what I am doing here. So this is minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So after I've done that, I'll go ahead and expand it. So I'm going to have 1 times 2, right? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 plus, I can skip the 0, but I'm going to just write it. 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Then plus, we are now crossing to the decimal fraction part, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 2, then plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 3. I have to do this because I don't have space over here, right? So this continues here. Okay, so this becomes 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of minus 1. 2 raised to the power of minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over 2. Right? It's the same thing as that. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 2. For you to understand this, you need to take our lesson on indices. Alright, once you've taken our lesson on indices, you're going to grab that. Then the next one is 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 2 is the same thing as 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. Then plus 1 times, this is going to be 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so this now becomes, let's simplify, 1 times 8 is 8 plus 0 times 4 is nothing. Alright, it's 0, so we're going to leave that behind. Or let me just do it, 0. 1 times 2 here is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Alright, plus 0 times 1 over 2 means everything here is 0. Then plus 1 times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 will become 1. 2 raised to the power of 2 here is what? 4. Is 4. Plus 1 times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. I left this 0 here, so don't. Okay, let me leave the 0. Let me put it now. 0 times 1 over 2 is 0 plus 1 times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? 4. 1 times everything here becomes this thing here. Then plus 1 times, alright, I think I'm not audible enough. 1 times 1 over, sorry, I don't need that. 1 times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3 is, 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Okay, so this becomes over 8 here. Alright, so we simply have 8 plus 0 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, plus 0 is, so we are going to be left with here 11. 11 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. So we can decide to leave this as a fraction, or we can just divide this. So this will now become, let me check if my camera is capturing this part. Okay, so this is 11 now. Okay, 11 here plus 1 over 4 is 0.25. then plus 1 over 8, which is 0.125. Alright, so if we are taking those down, this is going to become 11 points. If we add all this together, we are going to get 375 in base 10. Alright, so we have 11.375 in base 10 as the answer here when you convert that number to base 10. If you convert this to base 10, this is what you get. Alright, so it's quite long. It's not that much, it's just that the space here wasn't enough, but it's simple, right? It's quite simple. All you just need to do now is to practice this. If you practice this, you get you understand better and master it as well. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one, I was supposed to pause that video. Okay, the next one here we have 221.341 in base 3. So we have to convert this guy to base 10. Remember, we are converting to base 10. So this is simply going to be here is going to be 0, 1, and 2. Here is going to be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so with this now, we can now have 2. Remember, we are going to expand. The first digit here is 2. So we have 2 times the base, which is 3, raised to the power of 2, plus 2 times the base, which is 3, raised to the power of 1, plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 0. Then plus, we are going to the negative side now, 3 times 3 raised to the power of minus 1, plus 4 times 3 raised to the power of minus 2 here. Then plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of minus 3. Okay, so that's easy. So this becomes 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9, plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 1 is 3, plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1, plus 3 times 3 raised to the power of minus 1 is 1 over 3, same thing as 1 over 3, plus 4 times 3 raised to the power of minus 2 is same thing as 1 over 3 raised to the power of 2, plus 1 times 1 here, plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of minus 3 is same thing as 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3. Okay, so this becomes 2 times 9 is 18, plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 times 1 here is 1. Okay, so we are done with that part. Now 3 times 1 here is 3 divided by 3, so everything here will become 1. Alright, then plus 4 times, this will now become 4 times 1 is 4, all over 3 raised to the power of 2, which is 9. Then plus 1 times 1, which is 1, all over 3 raised to the power of 3, which is what? 27. Okay, so let's sum this up. 18 plus 6 is 24. Yeah, 24 plus 1, 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. Okay, so we have 26. Then plus 4 over 9. Okay, 4 over 9 plus 1 over 27. But we are going to reduce this. Okay, we can reduce this, but I'm going to use my calculator and do that. 4 over 9 is 0.44444. So I'm going to take it to 2 digits. 2 decimal places rather. 0.44 plus 1 over 27, which is 0.037. I'll take 3 decimal places. So by the time we sum this, we are going to have 26.477 in base 10. So you see, 221.341 in base 3 converts to 26.477 in base 10. It's simple, right? So like I said, if you practice this, you will understand better. Thank you.